You've definitely seen this meme, right? The internet's favorite way to explain UI versus UX.
So the glass bottle is a pain? That's bad UI. The squeezy one is easy? That's good UX. Case closed, right?
Well, what if I told you that classic example is actually kind of wrong?
Yeah, let's get into it.
The reality? Both bottles have a user interface, and both create a user experience. It's way more nuanced than that.
Okay, let's start with user experience, or UX. It's not just one thing. It's the entire journey, the whole vibe.
And fun fact, UX isn't just for tech. It's everywhere. Think about your favorite coffee shop experience.
Now, user interface, UI, is different. That's the stuff you actually see and interact with, like buttons and icons.
Here's a great way to think about it. UX is like the architect's blueprint for a house.
And the UI? That's all the interior design, the paint, the furniture, the stuff that makes the house a home. So here's a simple breakdown. UX is the strategy and feel. UI is the visuals and interaction. So, which comes first, the blueprint or the paint? Yep, you got it. You always start with the plan.
Yep, the design process nearly always kicks off with UX. You got to do the research before you make it look pretty.
Because they have to work together, right? A gorgeous app that's impossible to use is just bad UX.
Okay, let's go back to those ketchup bottles. But this time, let's add the secret ingredient: context. All of a sudden, in a cool diner, that classic glass bottle just feels right. It's part of the vibe.
And it's not just a gut feeling. Turns out, a lot of people actually prefer the glass bottle experience.
So let's wrap it up. UX is the entire journey. UI is the vehicle that helps you get there.
And the biggest lesson here? It's that context is everything. It's the absolute king.
So the real question isn't, is it easy? But is it the right experience for right now?